Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, this is Taylor Welding, and I told you I would make a video about the Stubby Rod Saver when it came out. It's out. You can now go to stubbyrodsaver.com and pick yourself up a 400 amp Stubby Rod Saver. Pretty wild, huh? I told you it was going to happen. I had no idea how long it was going to take, but it turns out they haven't been in production in over 20 years. The owner of Martin Wells, if you know anything about Martin Wells, put in the comments. They make precision valve seats, like Inconel type material, huge. Some of them are 9 inches, and these big motors. This is something they did. They've done a bunch of stuff. They used to do work for Howard Hughes. They've been in business for like 100 years. Next year will be 100 years. But they're making these stingers. They always have. He reached out to me, and he said, "Where did you get my Stubby?" Martin Wells. Where'd you get Stubby? You'll see a phone number on there. Don't bother them with questions about this. You go to stubbyrodsaver.com if you have any questions. I'll be making videos about your questions. He said, "Where'd you get the Stubby?" I said, "I got it off eBay." He said, "Well, what do you like about it?" I said, "Well, why don't I fill you in?" What I did was I went on the hunt for the best electrode holder on the planet. Bought, you name it. A lot of the brands you know that aren't really that good, but they look cool. I needed one. I needed one that would hold a 5mm and one that would hold a 332. And I mean hold it. I like to bend my rods. Most welders do. You can adjust this to fit your 5mm. Okay? It'll just boom, go in there, and then you can twist it. Then you got it, right? Well, that's not exactly how you want to keep it. I like to go ahead and bend mine, and in the process, it bends the rod and it tightens this up. It pinches it in there. Do that. Do that in your stinger. Take a 5mm and bend it. This thing's awesome. And what it does when you do that is it dimples the rod. You can't get it out. And then you can get your 332, make some minor adjustments, stick your 332 in there. Not coming out. It's totally insulated. It feels good. It's not a humongous big thing that's in the way arcing on everything. It's a tidy little heavy duty stinger. And I was really discouraged that they don't make them anymore, but they do. Go to stubbyrodsaver.com and pick you up one. Okay? If you're into this kind of stuff, if you're not, you know, maybe, just maybe you're into welding with 2 rods. I used to do this every day. I put 1/1/8 in one side, one in the other. I would bend one this way and one this way. I could bead one side. If it was bigger pipe, I could just flip it around and finish. If it was 4 or 6 inch, I could bead one, flip it over, bead the other side. You can wear somebody else if you're racing somebody and you don't have to change rods. It's fast. Okay. I really liked it. It'll do a 532 that way too, like a 532 7018. But you got to use it and get it a little worn. And you know, I did that just about on every rollout I did. But that's it, guys. That is something I've been working on, me and Martin Wells, for a long time. So check out stubbyrodsaver.com. And before I say have an awesome day, you made it to the end of the video, and I do appreciate that. And I appreciate you hitting the like button and doing all that kind of stuff. I'm going to try to make more videos. I'm doing something now. A lot has changed. I've got all excuses you can think of on not doing videos, but most of them are legit. I'm a welder. I have excuses. We're doing something now that is going to be it's going to be amazing, actually. We are scouting out the best tradesmen on the planet. It's great to have a bunch of work, and we got a bunch of work. Now we need the best tradesmen on the planet. And the pay is going to be the best on the planet. That's my goal, is to have the highest paid tradesmen out there. But they have to be the best, and they have to have excellent character. If you're into something like that, leave me a comment in the description. Tell me where you're at, what you do. You know, I'm working on a way to vet and acquire the best people. That's legit. Have an awesome day. Later.